NHS.
So would you like to put your old ones in then? And how easily are they to sort of just take out? Okay, and do you want to I'll move on to Jamie's new ones.
Ready?
Yeah. And how like stable are they in terms of being able to? Yeah. So they're solid. And how happy are you with these now? Very happy.
Been best money I've spent in a long time, to be fair. Much more comfortable.
And what was it that you just said previously about where did you go in the week and what did you manage to eat?
I had surf and turf, which is steak, which you can't normally eat steak. So that was lovely. And coffee in the mornings, because I don't have to use glue with these. So because I don't have to use glue, I can have coffee because it doesn't dissolve the glue. So hot drinks, steak, lovely.
And in terms of you mentioned about the characteristics of these teeth, what is it that you like most about the?
Got a tiny weeny gap over here.
And is that something that you wanted to keep?
And my little pointy bits. The other ones were dead flat, as you can see straight away across. They were too perfect, so they didn't look real. Whereas I've got predominant front, and I've got teeth.
And is that something that you worked with Jamie in regards to creating like the perfect?
Just let him get on with it.
Yeah?
Told him that I didn't want to look perfect, and he did the rest.
Cool.
He even argued with me about the colour because I wanted white, and I picked the white, and then he showed me the white, and I was like, oh no, not that white. So this is like natural, and I'm happy with those.
And in terms of your friends and your family, what are their comments in regards to your teeth now?
Well, I can't do the dropping of the teeth anymore, so they're all very relieved, basically, because that's my party trick gone.
Just in time for Christmas as well.
They all say they look great, but it's just nice to be able to eat with them, rather than.
And Jamie, just quickly, in regards to the old dentures, just outline the main differences and what a patient should be able to tell the differences as?
Well, it's quite a big difference, really. I mean, there's obviously constraints with the amount of time that somebody can spend on the NHS making dentures, whereas when you're making private dentures, you've got a lot more time to spend. So all the materials that I use are the best quality materials. So obviously you get a much better fit, which obviously
You can tell.
Yeah, you can tell. And they look more natural, and you can colour all the gum work.
Oh, the gums are pretty. Do you want to see the gums?
They just look real.
I know.
And in regards to something we do here at Dentsuite is the impression techniques. You come in.
Oh, it's completely different to last time. Everything from the hygienist all the way through dental. What do you call yourself? Dental nurses. Dental nurse. You can cut that down. From the dental nurse to the dentist, everything's been completely different. And I have travelled hour and 40 minutes most times to visit, just to come here, or to one within the group, because it was, I've got London on my doorstep, and I chose to come over here because they're just better. And the proof was in my mouth now.
Absolutely.
In time for Christmas.